is Srinivas Kanagopati, ERP and GenAI specialist with Google. As you have seen the Cortex value proposition for the enterprises, so it gives you kind of view on leveraging the integration capabilities that Incorta offers. It also provides the data sets along with the models and the dashboards as a part of the Cortex framework itself. So in my demo, I'll give you kind of a view on one of the most interesting and the momentum that's created with most of the clients. One of the use case which has the good momentum on the enterprises level. Let me share my screen. Yep. I hope you can see my screen.
Yeah, we can see it just fine.
Yeah. So this is the standard Looker landing page where the users can, yes, as a part of Cortex, you have so much content in addition to the BigQuery data sets. You also have the Looker dashboards. So what we have done is once you land, depending on the user's access, you do get a different set of dashboards from analytics perspective. It includes sales, finance, and primarily focusing on Oracle data in combination with some of the industry solutions. So one of them is the demand sensing. So basically, what is the demand sensing there is primarily we want to, the customers always, when I present to the customers, the one thing which they always tell me is, Shri, we want to look at how the demand planning is impacted by the overall weather data, campaigns data, search trends that we are looking in the market today. So basically, what Cortex offers, it basically gives you a kind of view on the demand sensing in combination where you are combining the data from Oracle in combination with Google data sets and third-party data sets. So where you will be getting the point of sales data, and finally helping that leveraging all these data and from technology point of view, combining that with the AML capabilities of Google, what Google offers to primarily focusing on the demand forecasting, optimized demand forecasting that you're looking at. So the idea is, yes, the dashboard that I'm showing here is primarily focused on the alert summary dashboard. So it gives you kind of on a particular how the products are performing at a particular store and at a particular location for the given date range, right? So if you look at high level, so we do have some of the products, the watermelon cooler, for example. So it shows what are the impact score. So the impact score is basically what how it's calculated is it combines all these data sets, and we have out of box machine learning model that we have enabled to do the analysis and in real time basically generates an impact score. So what it gives is where exactly from enterprises perspective you have to focus on what products and which location, and there is some impact due to these external activities onto your products in terms of the sales. You have to look at primarily focusing on those products, and the beauty of it is you can even extend it further to the level where you can take it to the user can get the notification directly into their mailbox, and from there they can just access the dashboards directly. So I do have customers who are looking at, hey, Shri, this is what we are looking at. But again, I want to see what exactly, how this product is performing from various data sets. Yes, I do have point of sales data, you have trends data, weather data, and ads data. So certainly a combination with Oracle data. So ideally, if we want to see that particular detailed dashboard for that particular product, and what location, so you will be able to see how this product is performing across all these data layers. So what is happening from the trends perspective, what is happening from ads perspective at that moment, and even the POS data and Oracle data. So from leveraging all this is one of the use case. So currently Cortex as a framework provides you kind of better value proposition around end-to-end enterprise-wide data core components, both Oracle as well as non-Oracle data sets, how you can combine these two and get a better value proposition. So now think about the Cortex as accelerated insights, leveraging the data core. But when I usually have discussions with the customers, the one thing which they ask me is, Shri, we hear a lot about Gen AI. So how this certainly, I mean, is there any component that's been involved with Gen AI from the from the analytics perspective? That's where, I mean, around sometime in May, what we have done is we have combined the Gen AI capabilities that we are looking at with the analytics. So the demo which I'm showing now, so for example, we have developed an app which combines the Oracle data sets which are coming from Incorta. So in combination with the Cortex offerings that we are looking at more from dashboards perspective. So if you look at high level, what's happening here, so I do have an executive. So usually the way I see it is, think about enterprises have executives who has around, or the business users who have around 200 or 300 dashboards which they have access and get some insights. Moving forward, they don't need to even log into the Looker or any other analytics platform to access the dashboards. They can just come to this chatbot or infobot. They can just ask a question in a plain English language. What it does is basically leverage it, looks at the data that's coming from BigQuery in combination with analytics metadata, and generates the response in the natural language format. So leveraging the Gen AI capabilities that Google is offering. So if you look at high level, based on the question, who is my top customer? So it gave me the response along with the actual dashboards. As long as the customers are looking at the out of box dashboard that Cortex is offering, so they will still be able to implement it in accelerated fashion to enable the Gen AI capabilities on top of the Cortex. So and the customers can extend it further. So you can continue your discussion, and based on that, you will be able to leverage it even further. Further questionnaire as well. So what it does is it selects the filtering criteria, and even it generates the response based on your earlier communication, what you are looking at from Gen AI perspective. So this is what I wanted to show. Yes, there are kind of great capabilities that you can leverage in combination with the Gen AI that we are looking at, and the Cortex value proposition, and in combination with Incorta's capabilities to how you can quickly replicate the data directly from Oracle systems to the BigQuery in real time. So this is what we are looking at from end-to-end perspective. Certainly, I mean, we would love to hear more from you. So if there are any other capabilities that you are looking at. Thank you.